his fingers would be slipped between the metal rings on the frame, turning the gun into brass knuckles. Now, the cylinder held 6 rounds, each with a metal pin sticking out. When the hammer came back, it smacked the pin to fire a shot. But since there wasn't a barrel, the gun only worked at close range. So if he got too close to the enemy, he could just unfold the knife from the frame and use it for stabbing while punching with the brass knuckles.
I will show you the video, but first leave a like and subscribe if you love animals. If you don't leave a like and subscribe, it means you hate animals.
Then it all folds up neatly until he needs it again.
रुको जरा, सबर करो।